Good day from Australia, Towbars Performance. Today we've had a pleasure on working on this GLA Mercedes and we have installed a premium European style towbar made by Brink. It's a detachable towbar with a quick release handle right here on the side there, which is a lockable handle as well. Sort of sticks nice and far out of the bumper. The towbar comes with the factory wiring kit, which comes with a module which integrates with the car fully with all the electronics, so it'll disable your parking sensors when you're towing something close to your bumper like a bike rack. It's a premium detachable towbar that's ADR approved in Australia, and it'll, when detached, it's completely invisible. So feel free to visit our website australiatowbars.com.au or reach out to our friendly team, and we will be happy to help you with your towing needs. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.